Gulshan Khatun. I read in class 1. My school name is Aman Foundation English Medium School. And say small topic of Allah is the creator of all things. The world we live in is very big. It is very beautiful. Allah made it. Allah made the heavens and the earth. Allah created the day. Allah created the night. Allah created the sun, the moon and the stars. He made the light to separate the night from the day. Allah sends down water from the sky. It is Allah who made the water below the heavens. It is Allah who made the plants and the fruit-giving trees. Allah made the high hills and the deep valleys. Allah made the forest and the plain. Allah made all kinds of animals and every kind of cattle. Allah made the forest and the plain. Allah made the mine, oceans and the rivers running by. He made the fish swimming in